and Cheeky, Ripper and Ponsonby Mob Legends, Uncle Jojo here. Guess what? I'm back and better than ever. I am here to let you people know that we are not taking it anymore when it comes to the building industry. We are standing our ground and we're saying enough is enough. Let's talk honestly, folks. This is about the ordinary family, the ordinary people of Australia that want to build a home. They want to spend their money on a well-built home. And we have so many amazing tradies throughout all of Australia that are hardworking, that want to build the homes. And then we've got these nincompoops that sit there and walk onto site or tell us, I'm not sure what you're building, but my clipboard says you're doing it wrong. Tell them to get stuffed. They're a load of bloody glass. We need to stand our ground and say, I'm bringing honour back into this trade. I love my craft and I am willing to stake my life on it. 35 years I've been in this trade, and 35 years goes into every hammer strike, every chisel strike, and I am not giving up now. So why don't you come with me and let's smash it out the window and let's change the way that we all look at building and constructions Australia and build homes that last for the future generation so it echoes through the times. Like always, stay unreal, banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.